Hello everyone, welcome back to TFBAGAS, and this video I'll show you tutorial again about Element 3D. So, in this video I will show you tutorial about how to create 3D particle with Element 3D in After Effects. So, a 3D particle for the result will be like this, and it's easy to make with Element 3D. So, without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so for the first step, you need to create new solid, add element, and then you can go to scene setup like this, and then you can go to starter pack physical, click ball fracture like this, and just like this, and you can go to preset and material, so you can change the color or the texture. So usually I will try to use maybe metal like this, and then you can set the environment at this one, and you can click OK and make sure you add into the group like this and click OK. After that, as you can see, there's a ball, fracture ball, and you can go to group and then particle look, multi-object, enable multi-object like this, and you can go scroll down into scatter multi, drag like this, and as you can see the ball is fractured like this, and you can set the displacement X, Y, and Z like this and like this. Alright, I will try to make some move cam to show you all. I would like to add new camera like this, and then I would like to add null, this, and text. Right, I change it to Y. Alright, like this, and let's try to add some move cam. Alright, as you can see, there's a ball fracture made into particle 3D, and I would like to add some move cam again, rotation move cam I think. Right, I would like to make it randomly. Like this, and see the result. Alright, there the 3D particle, and you can make the animation. You can go to the group and displacement XYZ. You can turn on this clock, I think. Alright, let's set the animation. I would like to make some displacement Y and X like this. Alright, looks good. And I would like to add some rotation random like this, and let's see. Alright, looks good. And if you want to add other 3D particle, you can go to scene setup again, and you can create new ball fracture again and make it into second group like this and change the color. Maybe I would like to create red trickle, uh, red like this. You can click OK, and as you can see, this is the ball fracture. You can go to group 2, particle look, multi-object, enable, and set this scatter multi like this, and set the X, Y, and Z displacement. Alright, like this, and let's see. Alright, this looks so good. And how about we place the text below the 3D element? Alright, looks very good. Looks good. Like this. Alright, and you can add some effect like smoke particle plexus deep below and optical flare to make it better, so the result will be like the example that I showed to you all before. So this is tutorial about how to create 3D particle with element 3D in After Effects. So thank you for watching. If you want to support me, you can support me by donation via Sociabas at link in the description. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video into your friends. So I'm Bagas. See you in the next video. Bye.